Dow Jones and Nasdaq both shedding the little overweight which it has carried throughout last week. We sensed it that on Friday it failed to sustain the bullishness and dropped. Rather than that, I will not say dropped, but indicated that the bullishness is not very much there. Now, what to expect today till the time I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Do note down the levels and trade and stick only to the levels mentioned here. Now let's start first. We'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. And yes, do press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest updates. Now look at the hourly charts. Yes, US100 has given a gap down here, and see this is trying to break out on the downside. This is a breakout candle on the hourly charts. Probably we may see once it draws below 11,740, you can sell there at expect 11,700, 11,600, 60 levels to get achieved. These are going to be a good support, and below that only certainly little more bearishness to be seen. Now in fact, if you see the hourly charts, you will find out that it is trying to trade in this channel. The lower end of this channel is now situated at around 11,640, 620 zone. Till here probably I will not consider this as bearish. Only below 11,600 consider this as little bit bearish, and then 11,500, 400 levels to be seen. The directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic at bottom, the MACD divergent and bearish looking downwards. The RSI is also looking downwards. It was extremely overbought and hence looking forward to cool down a bit. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. See, this is a breakout candle here. Possibly once it trades below 11,640, it will call for more bearishness there below 11,740. Below 11,740, 11,720, 700 levels certainly going to be a good support, and below that 650 level should come into picture. 650, 600 till 600, do not consider this as bearish here. Till 600 the possibility for it to rise exists, and hence yes, you have to stay cautious there. Only below 11,600 I will consider NASDAQ 100 that it may bring little more bearishness, taking it till towards 11,500, 400 and below levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic falling from the cliff. It was overbought here. The MACD has just crossed over. This is divergent and bearish. RSI is still overbought on the 2-hour charts. Probably a little bit of cooling is required, and that is why we can see this drop there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, higher highs, higher lows. Let it once drop below 11,740. Sell there for 700, 650, 600. Till 600 is very good support. Only below 600 it will call for little more bearishness, taking it till towards 500, 400 levels, and below that a good drop can be expected. Directional movement bullish here. It may try to converge. Stochastic is still overbought here, and if you look at the RSI, this is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell. The MACD converge crossover for a sell. RSI is overbought and looking downwards here. If you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you will find that this is the first red candle, and if you connect the dots here, this is trying to trade in this extremely bullish channel. 11,700 is a good support. 650 and 600 are the major support. Below 600 only bearishness to be confirmed, so sell there at 11,740. Expect 700, 650, 600 levels on the downside. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought. It can look forward to a downside move. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is overbought too. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, certainly 11,800 is the level beyond which it will continue with the bullish momentum. And then on the downside till 11,600, 550, 500, you can consider that it may show you reversal. See, 11,600 definitely is going to be a very good support now. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD divergent and bullish, it may start to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, sell at 11,740, buy at 11,800 for these 60 points. Avoid trading for NASDAQ 100. Below 11,740, expect 11,720, 700. Rather, I'll say 11,720, 700, 650, 600 till 600. Probability of it to reverse exists. Below 600, it is going to show you little more drop. Trade accordingly. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss till the time it trades above 11,600, 500. Possibility for it to bounce back exists, and hence you have to trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before I proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch, the last batch for this financial year. This year is going to start on 28th of November. This is going to be the 17th batch. After that, you will get the next opportunity only in the new year. So enroll on this last batch, and definitely you can start your new year with the bang, with the profits, with the strong confidence that you can be a proficient and profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group, where we are gathering thousands and thousands of points and pips across indices and commodities in just one signal channel, and one single channel. So reach out to me for more details on my training and trading program. Yes, you can find out my contact details in the About tab of the YouTube channel. When you go to the home page of my channel, you will find the About section there. Press on the About tab and you will just scroll down. You will find my email ID and my Telegram ID. Only reach out to the authentic email and Telegram ID. I do not have any investment program. I do not give you a promise of a multifold return. I only have a trading signal service and a training program. These two services are offered, so refrain of fraudsters, beware of fraudsters. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, it is giving you a breakout here. See, the previous three candles, higher lows, higher highs were seen. This is a breakout candle. Now probably we are looking forward to 33,600 levels. It may achieve 33,600, 580, and then below that we may see 33,500 levels as the maximum support. See, 33,500 is going to be the max support for Dow Jones, and below that little more drop can be expected till towards 33,450 levels. Only below 33,300 confirm that it is trying to retrace strongly on the downside. Till the time it trades above 33,300, the possibility of it to remain bullish exists. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic trading at bottom and oversold. The MACD is bearish and divergent. The RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, this is the second red candle. Previous two candles, higher highs, higher lows, and this time it is looking downwards. 33,600, 33,580, 550 levels maximum support, then 33,500 and 400 in the next support, and then 33,300 levels. Till 33,300, do not consider this as bearish. It may try to bounce back. Also look at the charts here. It is giving you higher highs, higher lows. Possibility of it to bounce back from 33,600 also exists. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over for a sell entry. This is divergent. This is bearish here. The RSI is also looking downwards, indicating we may see it trading bearish from here. 33,600, 580, 550 levels to be seen. In fact, 33,500 cannot be denied. The look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise, you will find the possibility of it to achieve 33,500 exists, and below that certainly more bearishness to be seen. Now look at the charts here. There is a gap till towards 33,750, 770 levels. So only buy entry is above this zone, 33,700, above which it may try to attempt and achieve 33,750, 800, and more bullishness to be seen if it trades above 33,800 levels. So yes, buy above 33,700, sell below 33,600. That is what we can see here. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is just crossing over for a sell entry. On the 3-hour charts, it may show you little more bearishness. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similar is the formation. See, it is giving you symmetry. Possibility of for it to come down to 33,500 exists, and in fact till 33,300 exists. Below that only certainly more bearishness to be seen. Now if you see the long-term charts here, you will find that it has the potential for it to drop till towards 33,000. Till there, possibility of it to bounce back exists. The directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic is comfortable here, neither overbought nor oversold. The MACD is looking to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet in the green side. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Firstly, it is given a gap down here. There is a gap till 33,750, 800 to be filled. And on the upside, once it trades above 33,800, there is a possibility that it can try to break past 34,000 and achieve 34,100 levels, which are very highly likely possible if it continues to trade above 33,800 levels. On the downside, once it drops below 33,700, you can expect 33,600. Once it draws below 33,600, you can expect 33,500, 400, and there is a possibility till 33,200 and 33,000 levels in the next few sessions. The directional movement moderately bullish. The stochastic is overbought, looking downwards from here. The MACD is bullish, it may try to converge. The RSI is overbought, now looking downwards. Considering this, sell at 33,600, buy at 33,700. On the upside, 33,750, 800. These are the two levels. Beyond that, it is going to fly high till towards 33,920, 34,000, 34,100 levels. So on the upside, be cautious of 33,800. And on the downside, you can sell there at 33,600 levels, but expect 33,580, 550, 500 till 500. Yes, good support. Then 33,400, the major support. Then 33,300 will come into picture. Below that, 33,200 and 33,000 are the next support levels. Yes, it is playing in hundreds. It is playing at the support levels in hundreds, and hence you have to take your trade accordingly. Till 33,000, there is a possibility of it to reverse, and hence you have to trade with the trailing stop loss at every milestone, and at every resistance level you have to close few of your trades, or either shift your stop loss to these milestones, or book 50% and trail the 50%. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.